We're sisters from Little Rock. I'm TK. I know how to get away.
I'm Dee, and you can't catch me.
We may go northbound.
No, let's take it downtown.
Let's go high.
No, let's go low. Let's go low.
Maybe we could go down below. Maybe we'll go to a game.
No, that's lame.
Maybe we should just hide in a hole.
No.
Come on, let's go. Maybe we'll try a disguise.
Ooh, that might be wise.
We think you're getting near.
We'll just disappear.
On your show, thanks for considering us.